Hey everybody! It is snowing like crazy in Vesterålen today. In just 3-4 hours we've had approximately 30 maybe 40 centimeters in some places. I have been out clearing snow a couple of hours now. The temperature is just above 0 degrees, so the snow is kind of heavy, a little bit wet. It might be like this the whole evening and the whole night too, so I think we will have a lot to do here. But I did something smart before I started to clear snow, and I'll show you just right now what I did. For those of you who saw my last video, you could see I do have some problems when the snow is wet to get it back to the fan here. I had a lot of tips from you guys, comments, and so I tried out something just to see if it was working. I sprayed the snowblower with silicone spray here in the walls, and I tried also to reach on the fan on both sides, and the difference is just amazing. I have not been bothered with the snow piling up and clogging up into the snowblower. The snow has just been thrown out of the shooter with no problems. So, tips for you: if you have the same problems like you can't get the snow out of the shooter, you can try silicone spray. Into the side walls. It's gonna make a huge difference. Okay guys, that was a quick update from Vesterålen. I haven't posted so much videos the last couple of weeks because I've been a little bit exhausted and I had to kind of just do the most important things like getting out and clear snow, take care of my son, and also I had some paperworks inside the house. We haven't seen the sun in more than 2 months now. I think we've seen the sun since the time of darkness was over the 19th of January. We've seen it 2 or 3 times, just a few hours. So kind of starting to feel like we need the sun to get energized again. But that's how life is when you live above the Arctic Circle. But anyway, it's nice to post a video again, and click like and click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, goodbye.